building to... The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Westchester County, Rockland County, Putnam County, Southeastern Orange County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Sloatsburg and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Pomona, New City, Haverstraw, Peekskill, Ossining, Yorktown Heights, Mount Kisco, Mattapack, Bedford, Carmel, and Brewster, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Westchester.